What's up, Pokemon fans? Day 8 of opening 3 packs per week for 365 days. Kalimutan ko ipakita, ito nga pala yung mga nakuha natin sa pack number 6 at saka 7 natin. Alright, pack number 8, Sunbreon. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Hey. Wow. Bak may isa pa? What? Alright. Day 8. Let's go.